My name is Theresa Waller. I am the electricity teacher at Charlotte Technical College, and I teach electrical. So I have always wanted to be a teacher. I can't remember a time I did not. I grew up just wanting to teach, and I made some really hard life decisions, and as a teenager I rebelled pretty bad, and I knew that career was going to be in the distance for me as a single mom. So I chose to do electrical as a trade to help my family. And I just, in the back of my mind, always said I want to be a teacher. I would love to be a teacher, but I don't know how to do it. And when I was given the opportunity by Charlotte Technical College to teach electrical, it is a dream come true. It is a blessing that I get emotional talking about, because it's a gift. It's a gift to be able to teach and to share your talent with the next generation.
Miss Waller, she's super kind. I've never heard a bad thing out of Miss Waller's mouth, no matter what we do. High schoolers are tough. Most of the time, nobody's saying anything too nice, but Miss Waller's never said anything bad come out of her mouth, ever. I've never heard there's not a mean bone in her body. She's great. She's one of the nicest people I've ever met. And to have that as a teacher is just, it's great.
She's been one of the most amazing teachers I've ever had, like an outstanding teacher. I've never had someone like her. She's literally always here for me. She's like my second mom. I have no words for the amount of stuff she does for us, not just me, but our whole class. I'm the only girl in this class, so it's been really hard for me to get along with all the guys, but it's really great that Miss Waller is also a woman, so I can connect with her.
I look up to her because she's been a great adult role model for me. She's always been there when I needed help, and I'm really thankful for that. And that's why I think she's one of my favorite teachers of all time.